на трубку, обозначенную подсветкой зеленого цвета. Мы прибываем на станцию. На трубку, обозначенную подсветкой зеленого цвета.
Passengers aboard the train to Tuapse in Krasnodar Krai, Russia, marveled at a breathtaking, awe-inspiring landscape unfolding beyond their windows thanks to Ukrainian UAVs. Video show flames raging from reservoirs at the Tuapse oil refinery.
We are arriving at...
On the afternoon of March 14th, a drone strike targeted a military training ground and facility in Mulino, located in the Nizhny Novgorod Oblast of the Russian Federation. The incident was reported by the Astra Telegram channel, citing eyewitness accounts. No casualties were reported from the attack. Later that day, Rosaviatsia confirmed that Strigino Airport in Nizhny Novgorod had temporarily suspended both incoming and outgoing flights. Mulino is home to the 333rd Combat Training Center of the Western Military District, according to open data. This is a unique facility, according to Russian media, with no equivalents in Russia or worldwide. The center integrates traditional training grounds with advanced computer technologies. It features complex simulators that recreate 3D battlefields and includes physical models of cities and towns for tactical exercises. The training center spans 34 by 27 kilometers and is equipped with tank ranges and other specialized training areas. It can accommodate up to 3 brigades annually, training 700 servicemen at once, and offers training for up to 30,000 personnel each year. On the morning of March 14th, the Russian Ministry of Defense claimed to have shot down 28 Ukrainian drones that posed a threat to military targets on Russian soil. The ministry indicated that the UAVs had reportedly been neutralized in the Bryansk, 15 units, and Moscow, 4 units regions, as well as over 3 additional regions and the Black Sea. It can be presumed that the object that attacked the facility in Mulino was a Ukrainian strike drone, Lyuty. Lyuty is a UAV known for its fixed-wheeled chassis and internal combustion engine with a 3-propeller pusher setup for takeoff on runways or roads. The Ukrainian strike drone, Lyuty, has a fixed-wheeled chassis for takeoff by acceleration on a runway or road. The drone is powered by an internal combustion engine with a 3-propeller pusher propeller located in the stern. Russian fighter apparently participating in the battles near Sudza in Russia's Kursk Oblast disclosed that their command has inexplicably barred them from targeting Ukrainian forces during their withdrawal. This is just another confirmation regarding our previous reports that Ukrainian withdrawal from Kursk is a part of American-Russian negotiations and one of Putin's conditions to negotiate.
In short, they took the Sujuk. The bastards are falling out, damn it. They said not to touch them. Let them, carefully go out across the fields. And there are about 8 to 10,000 of them, damn it. I'm just freaking out about this war again, damn it. So, it's all about the money, damn it. We can hit them, damn it, like with a drill, damn it. And with grads and drones, damn it. But they're saying, damn it, don't shoot. Let them go back to their place.
The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported that rumors of the encirclement of Ukrainian units in the Kursk region are Russian lies meant to intimidate. Something even Trump seems to have fallen for, by the way. Reports of the alleged encirclement of Ukrainian units by the enemy in the Kursk region are false and fabricated by the Russians for political manipulation and to exert pressure on Ukraine and its partners. The situation has remained largely unchanged over the past day. Combat operations within the operational zone of the Kursk group of forces are ongoing. Units of the Defense Forces of Ukraine have successfully regrouped, withdrawn to more advantageous defensive positions, and are executing their assigned tasks within the Kursk region. Our soldiers are effectively repelling enemy offensive actions and inflicting significant fire damage using all available weapon systems. Since the beginning of the current day, 13 combat clashes have taken place in the Kursk direction. There is no threat of encirclement of our units. Greenland has just voted against immediate independence from Denmark and does not want to be American ever. But Trump is not giving up on the idea.
What is your vision for the potential annexation of Greenland and getting the potential?
Yeah, well, I think it'll happen, and I'm just thinking, I didn't give it much thought before, but I'm sitting with a man that could be very instrumental. You know, Mark, we need that for international security, not just security, international. We have a lot of our favorite players, cruising around the coast, and we have to be careful. And we'll be talking to you. It's a very appropriate, really a very appropriate question.
There's an issue in the high north, so the Arctic. So what you did, so when it comes to Greenland, yes or not joining the US, I would leave that outside for me, this discussion, because I don't want to drag NATO in that. But when it comes to the high north and the Arctic, you are totally right. The Chinese are now using these routes. We know that the Russians are rearming. We know we have a lack of icebreakers. So the fact that the outside Russia, there are 7 Arctic countries working together on this under US leadership is very important to make sure that that region, that part of the world stays safe. And we know things are changing there, and we have to be there.
China unveiled its new huge invasion barges during an amphibious landing exercise near Zhanjiang. The barges will make it possible for China to move large amounts of military equipment to a shore without docking facilities. Ships would dock with barges, unload tanks, trucks, and other armored vehicles, which could then drive to shore across 120-meter-long arm, acting as a bridge. Such barges could be used for military operations against Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, the Philippines, and other areas near the South China Sea. After several years of work, Sikorsky, owned by Lockheed Martin, has finally developed and proven the operability of a new type of aircraft, the rotor-blown wing. Its main feature is the ability to fly horizontally, like an airplane, and also land and take off vertically without any mechanical changes to the configuration itself. That is, unlike tiltrotor aircraft, it does not need to rotate the propellers, an action that ordinarily requires a very complex torque transmission. According to Sikorsky, in January 2025, the new aircraft made 40 takeoffs and landings and 30 transitions between 2 flight modes, and also reached a cruising speed of 160 kilometers per hour. The 52-kilogram aerial vehicle is a drone with a wingspan of about 3 meters, with 2 electric motors. It is essentially a flying wing with a relatively thick profile, with a central nacelle and small vertical stabilizers. In vertical position, it is unclear if it has tandem rotor configuration, as in the famous CH-47 Chinook, or transverse one, as in the V-22 Osprey tiltrotor. Despite the seeming simplicity of the idea, there's the complexity of controlling the aircraft during the transition lying behind it. Sikorsky's been known to develop the concept since 2022, but a real breakthrough was achieved only recently, the company itself reported. Understanding the complexity of this project, the company opted out of the future vertical lift competition to replace the UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter, where the Defiant X pusher proposal lost to Bell's V-280 Valor tiltrotor. Most importantly, the results prove that the design is scalable and can be implemented on a hybrid electric power plant. The video suggests the possibility of creating UAVs that can transport goods and strike the enemy.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.